Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at what mathematics. And then the topic on the board is implicit differentiation. We have seen chain rule, differentiation part 1. We have seen product rule, differentiation part 2. We have seen quotient rule, differentiation part 3. And now is what? Differentiation part 4, which is what? Implicit differentiation. Now, there's a question for us on the board. It reads, if x squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared equals 3, find dy dx. Okay, now how do we solve this? Okay, let's go. Remember, they give us what? A point at -1, 2. Solution. Okay, now at this point, what do I do? Now from here, let me differentiate this. X squared, I'm going to bring down 2 because 2 is the highest power of what? Of x here. Okay, so I'm going to bring down 2. I'll write x squared and then I'll subtract what? Subtract 1. Okay, plus this is 3. I'm going to write 3 and then open the brackets. Okay, now remember what we did. Okay, when I was talking about what product rule, all right? The formula I gave us, the shortcut to product rule. Now I will leave x, okay, times I will differentiate y. If we differentiate y, it becomes dy dx. Okay, so plus, all right? Now I will now leave y and differentiate what? X. Okay, so the highest power of x is 1, so I'm going to break it down. Okay, this is what? X, 1 minus what? 1. Then I'm going to write what? My y. Okay, bracket what? Bracket close. Bracket close, plus. This is 2. Okay, now highest power of y here is what? Is 2. So break it down. I'm going to write my y squared and then I will subtract what? Subtract 1. Okay, then my dy dx as usual, okay, equals to, if you differentiate a constant, you are going to get what? 0. Okay, so let's continue here. Here is 2x, 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 3. Okay, brackets open, that is x dy dx plus 1 times x is still x, 1 minus 1 is 0. This is my y, bracket close, plus 2 times 2, which is 4, y, 2 minus 1 is 1, then I'm having my dy dx equals what? 0. Okay, and here is what? 2x plus, this is 3, brackets open, x dy dx plus x raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. 1 times y is y plus 4y dy dx equals to what? 0. Now, at this point here, I can open the brackets. Okay, so it becomes 2x plus 3 times x is 3x dy dx plus 3 times y is 3y. Okay, then plus 4y dy dx equals what? 0. All right, so now I can collect like terms here. Okay, bring the ones that have the y dx together. Now if you check here, 2x and 3y, they don't have the y dx attached to them, so you can go to the other side of the equation. So I'm going to be having 3x dy dx plus 4y dy dx equals, if plus 2 should go to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus 2x. Then if plus 3y goes to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus 3y. All right? Now, if you check here, the y dx is common, so I can bring out what? The y dx. So I'm having the y dx, brackets open, 3x plus 4y equals minus 2x minus what? 3y. Okay? Now, at this point, what do? I want dy dx to stand alone, so I'll divide both sides by 3x plus 4y. Okay, so I'm having both sides by both sides by 3x plus 4y. Okay, 3x plus 4y. Now this and this goes off, so dy dx is left alone. So I'm having dy dx equals minus 2x minus 3y over 3x plus what? 4y. Okay, now remember that they gave us the point minus 1 comma 2. That is the point. Now this is what our dy dx. We are done differentiating. We are done looking for our dy dx. Okay, but they asked us to use a particular point, which is minus 1 comma 2. Now take note, your minus 1 here is your x, and your 2 here is what is your y. So it means anywhere I see x here and here, I'll put minus 1. Okay, and anywhere I see y here and here, I'll put what? I'll put 2. All right, so this is equal to minus 2. Okay, now bracket open, my x there is minus 1. I'll put minus 1 minus 3. My y is what? Is 2. So I'm going to put 2 over 3. Bracket open, x there is what? Minus 1 plus 4. Y there is what? Is 2. Okay, so at the end of the day, I'm having minus times minus is plus, 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, minus times plus is minus, 3 times 2 is 6 over 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 plus 4 times 2 is what? Is 8. Okay, now my dy dx at the end of the day becomes 2 minus 6 gives us minus 4, then minus 3 plus 8 gives us what? 5. So our dy dx now at this point, at point minus 1 comma 2 is minus 4 over what? Over 5. Okay, now if you love this video, okay, you can please click on the subscription button and like this video.